Most of the here we are going to discuss the question. This question is asking UPSC 2014, and question is the come from the world geography. You can say most of the unusual climatic happening are explained as an outcome of the El Nino effect. Do you agree? So here is the trying to say that El Nino is a climatic pattern that describe the unusual warming of the surface water in the eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. El Nino is the warm phase of a larger phenomena called the El Nino Southern Oscillation. La Nina, on the other hand, La Nina, here we are going. La Nina is the cooling phase of the snow. Is a pattern that describes the unusual cooling of the unusual cooling of the region surface water. El Nino and La Nino are considered the ocean part of the snow, while the southern oscillation is its atmospheric change. Next is it is trying to say that the unusual climatic unusual climatic unusual climatic hyphen are explained as an outcome of the El Nino effect. कैसे भाई why how unusual climatic happening are explained as an outcome of the El Nino effect. First they first point in favor of this, they try to say that El Nino has an impact on the ocean temperature, a speed and a strength of the ocean current, health 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 of the coastal fishery, and local weather from the Australia to South America and beyond. Means El Nino has an impact on the ocean temperature. El Nino has an impact on the ocean temperature, a speed and strength of the ocean current, health of the coastal fishery, and the local weather from the Australia to North South America to and beyond. So this is the one region that is the, you can say, El Nino outcome of the unusual climatic happening as is explained as an outcome of the El Nino effect. As the El Nino has an impact on the ocean temperature, a speed and strength of the ocean current, health of the coastal fishery, and the local weather from the Australia to North South America and beyond. Next point, why the unusual happening of the climatic are the outcome of the El Nino. Here telling the El Nino effect occur irregularly at 2 to 7 year. However, El Nino is not a regular cycle or predictable in the sense that ocean tide are. As ocean tide are the regularly predictable, that is not predictable is the El Nino. El Nino you cannot predict. Next is here trying to say that El Nino event are defined by their wide-ranging teleconnection or larger scale, long-lasting climatic anomaly or patterns that are related to each other and can affect much of the globe. Next is the led by the work of the Sir Gilbert Welker in the 1913, climatologists determined that El Nino occurs simultaneously with the southern climatologists define these linked phenomena as El Nino southern oscillation impact across the world. Impact across the world. How impact of the across the world we are going to see here now. El Nino has a devastating impact on the equatorial and Peruvian country. El Nino also produce widespread and sometimes severe change in the climate. Next is the convention above warmer surface water bring increased rainfall increase drastically in Ecuador and northern Peru, contributing to the coastal flooding and erosion. As As El Nino bring rain to the Southern America, It brings drought to the Indonesia and Australia. This drought threatens the region's water supply and as reservoir dry. River carry less water. Next is here is written that these strong temperature increase causes severe climatic change. Australia experiences harsh drought conditions. Typhoons occur in Tahiti. Record rainfall, flooding, heat, central Chile. The west coast of North America was usually stormy during the winter season. Fish catch, fish catch were uh, dramatically dramatically reduced from Chile to Alaska. The Indian monsoon is weakened by El Nino. So Indian monsoon is weakened by El Nino. Role of the other factor in unusual climatic happening. Here trying to say that El Nino is itself a part of the large system. Is no other phenomena like Indian Ocean dipoles, Rossby wave, jet stream, polar vortex also influence climate and produce extreme event. Above climate change is changing weather dynamic across the world. Across the world.